Google Play Protect is an inbuilt antivirus which comes with the Android device. This will scan the application before it is installed in your device. Also, it will periodically scan those applications which are already installed in your device to check if it's a proper genuine app or if it is a malicious app. So always make sure that Google Play Protect is enabled in your device. For that one, go to this Google Play Store. Tap on this menu at the top, go to Play Protect and go to the setting here. Make sure that scan device for security threat it is enabled. Also make sure that improve harmful app detection, both of them are enabled. Although Google Play Protect comes with Android device, but it's best if you have your own antivirus app which is installed in your device, such as AVG antivirus or Norton antivirus, etc. Also, whenever you're installing an application, always read the comment or the feedback of the application, and also you need to check how much is the size of the application. For example, if I go to Google Play Store, then if I want to install an application like this one, I will open it, and from here you can check how much space or how much is the capacity of the application. Go to read more and you can see the size of the application is 21.01 MB. So generally those applications which are genuine will have more size, like 15-20, and those applications which are fake, it will just be having 5 to 10 kilobyte. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.